Hey, Dave Knight here at geez, where the hell am I now? Dave Knight Trading, YouTube only right now. Still trying to resolve my own issues. No comment. I got no comment here. PA 13. I never traded more than 2 contracts today, but I never got ahead either. Um, I don't really have anything positive to say about PA 13. I tried. I've been trying to use the Apex system. Uh, all kinds of different ways of trying to resolve what I see, the volume figures and whatnot. Um, I can't seem to figure it out. And then you can see I had a positive here on EA 89. You know I'm going to go after a big win on day one, and the EA 90, EA 88 was just a loser altogether. EA 89, I got to like 51.3. And it was at 51,995. That was too far away. It was like $600 away from the other one. EA 90, I traded my Tiger. If those that have followed me in the past, it's the I'll just put the chart up here. It's my other workstation that I have. I'm debating about going back to this. This is what I traded today and won on. Um, It's not showing P&L. Always display P&L and ticks. It's not showing it there though. Um, so I'm up 52,281 right now. I've reduced the 2 contract size. I went from 5 to 3. Now I'm at 2. Um, what I can tell you is that I am frustrated, to say the least, with my trading in the NASDAQ. Oh, this is a Williams percent R. I think that's the only indicator I have on here now. I used to have MACD. And I put these volume figures on here to kind of show me where there's a press in volume oscillator. You got a 5-minute on the other side over here. 5-minute chart. Got the pivot points on there. So this is my Tiger setup. It's my old chart system. There's the VWAP line. Came into play. down to S1 today. Pivot point, never got to it. I don't know what to say anymore. I mean, that's why I don't teach, because I'm trading a different product now. I'm not trading CL, I'm trading the NQ. And I've tried, I mean, I've been able to get into the PA. Most of it is because I win big on day one. I was trading, I got to come up with a solution on how much of a loss is acceptable if I'm trading one contract. That's obviously, I went from 1 to 2 contracts today. And so this is what I'm seeing now, right? So here's your 5-minute chart. Here's your VWAP line going above it again. I'm in sim now on both. NASDAQ is a brutal market though, when it goes against you. It's hard to just close out your positions. Well, at least I didn't have a $473 buy-in today. I bought the 140 on Friday and 3 more EAs today, 88, 89, and 90. Look at that right there, 11,275, 902, based on this one here. So that's, volume figures aren't really giving me anything. I thought it was giving me something. In the end, it's just gambling at this point with Apex. I mean, it turned over right here. Turned over at 467 and it stair-stepped itself up. I mean, I'm just scalping this right now. Then it finally runs. I mean, I've tried very hard to try to figure this Apex stuff out. I used their trade setups. Going down on 245. There's 1136 going up. Just review and see what we see. Anything above 1,000 going both ways. Now I know I got caught on a big move up today. It's 495 up there. Just looking at percents right now. 309 and it comes down. I mean, I don't know. Let's be honest, I don't know how to read. $571 right there. Then it continues down. 256 up here and goes down. There's just no rhyme or reason. 881 and doesn't really do anything. Goes up, comes back down to break even. There's 1126 and doesn't do anything. Goes back and down. %, and comes down. There's 175. I think this is the one that I got caught on. I tried to short it before that. Came down, got stopped out. Actually, I think this was, let's go back and look at PA13 because I think this is the one that caught me. Maybe not. All right, which one did I take this on? 88. It's not showing my trades in here. There's a signal there. There it is. I got stopped out before this move happened. I mean, it's just not showing me anything. I mean, I've tried over and over again to try the Apex. The good news about Apex, I'm able to get into the PA safely a lot of times, but it's not showing me anything. It's a lot of busy work in here. None of these volume figures are showing me anything I need to see. I'm scrolling back to 930. I mean, I was just back. Look at this. This is the one I missed. 642. And then it goes down right here at 931. I wonder what that looked like at 930 to 931 on my Tiger chart. Let's look. This is the way I used to look at the market before I switched to the Apex, and I'm actually coming up to the end of a time with them, I believe, and I don't know if I want to renew it because it's not been really helpful for me. Alright, scrolling back to that 931 area, right? 930 to 931. See what the tiger chart was showing me at that point in time. So here, get screen draw out. Williams percent R, prices, downward move. This is how I used to trade. If you look back here, this was flat, maybe a little bit on the downside coming down. You have this coming up this way. See the highway breaking through here. Short signal right in this area, taking it down. Crossover right about here. Trading above the 900s now. Low came in today at about 11 a.m. It's been up since 11 pretty much. It's been a lot of time and effort building my tiger chart over the years. Actually got another signal coming through right here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Took that in on PA90 there. Got the 52,458, 52,537 is the high of the account. I don't know, maybe this makes a lot more sense to me. Volume spike up there. Things are coming down after the big move up. Another chart that I look at is this one. These are, I forget what I got set on. This is 369 tick. And this other one's 123. It's all based on my 369 concept. Look at that right there. Isn't that beautiful? Who needs a simplicity chart? I already have the simplicity chart. One of the traders actually said something about simplicity, and I said, I've already developed all that stuff already. It's not conducive to do the tortoise and the hare strategy at Apex though, because the drawdown that you got, I mean, just can't afford the drawdowns that come in. I'd love to get funded enough that I could use the tortoise and the hare strategy. Look at that right there. I mean, this is a huge winner. Getting long from here, and you can trail behind on the, here's your exit point right there. It's basically where I was trading short right there, right? It said there's a short signal. Remember me saying that? There it comes. It came across my 369 chart here. But if you would do this at Apex with their system, these little pullbacks will kick your ass coming back. Now that one didn't pull back too much, but it's hard to have a trailer at Apex. I've tried in the past to use a trailer because a lot of times it comes up and then it comes back like this, and then your difference between where you were here on your count high versus the push down before it goes back this way will take you out of your account. Will stop you out your $2,500 drawdown, or it'll make it so uncomfortable on your next trade you really can't run these kind of strategies at these funded firms. It just doesn't work. That's what I stopped trading the Tiger, because I couldn't trail one behind it because it would come back and bite me in the ass. Maybe some of the things with Apex, knowing that to scalp it a little bit better might be a better way of looking at this. Okay, I lost that one chart. Where'd it go? Pull this off the chart here. I'm not going to use the dome on this. The dome was very hard to use. Coming up to 11:30 a.m. here. Doesn't show that P&L like the Apex does. I don't know if I like that or don't like that. There we go. Show unrealized profit when out. Was my time at Apex wasted? I would say no, but I'm coming to the conclusion that scalping and having the just up here and saying stop, sell, buy, stop, market, sell, stop, limit, like boom up here, and you have to check
Order
it.
submitted. Order canceled.
I mean, that was one of the problems that I had with trying to figure it out. I mean, you can sell ask. Let's go back to sim just to look at this. All right, so we want to right now, what's it telling me? Nothing yet. But that's just, what do we do? Buy bid?
Order
Buy ask.
filled. Order filled.
Sell bid.
Order filled.
Should set up a 30-60. That's what this is set at. 30 tick stop loss with a 60 tick profit target. I like the idea that I can drop and drag like this. I really couldn't do this before, so I kind of learned something along the
Stop
way.
filled.
Kind of learned something along the way with Apex of how to drop and drag using Ninja. Let's do this. Buy ask.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order
Sell
filled.
market. I'm just goofing right now. Can I move that?
Order filled. Order cancel. Order filled.
Yeah, so then it shows the profit loss. All right, that's goof.
Order filled. Order filled.
So it puts both stops at the same spot.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hello? What you doing? It's not a proper setup here. Let's close this one out.
Order filled.
It's more of a long setup here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Now you have a short setup here. Hey.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's always fun to be able to goof for a while. Unlimited money, unlimited funds. Gets above here, we got to close it out. See you, Brendan.
Stop filled. Order filled.
That's buy market. It's buy bid.
Order filled.
Buy ask.
Order filled.
Obviously, I wouldn't trade this way. I'm just goofing. Damn. See, this is, there we go, right? There's a buy signal above, but it sold off of it.
Order filled. Order filled.
way too many trades. It was a good setup early. That's what we took. Notice I'm in the sim now. None of these are good setups. This one may be okay, but it's kind of dead now. I mean, the setups were a lot earlier than now.
Stop filled.
Let's try the other side just for fun. What are we down? 6,000? Bam,
Order filled.
bam,
Order
bam,
filled.
bam.
Order
Oh,
submitted.
it's not, it's only letting me.
Order filled.
Let's make it interesting now. Sell
Order
bid,
submit. Order filled.
sell ask,
Order
sell
filled.
market.
Order filled.
What do we got going on here? 80? 88? Oh, to have unlimited funds, huh? Top of the Bollinger Band, maybe? Holding it in.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
That was different. Took it in batches.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Stop filled.
Look at that. All the way to get to top $21.52. There's got to be a combination of all this that I'm seeing to help me trade. Let's go back to Apex and see what it was showing. So this move really didn't show anything. I don't know how to read it. Obviously, I don't know how to read this. 540 right there. But it went down on 451 and then went up on, is that 540 or no, that's 340. 451 down, 340 up. This doesn't make any sense to me. These little percentages are not making any sense because this is based here, is based upon this one here, and this one here is based on this one there, and this one here is based on this one here is based on that one there. This one here is based on this one. So when you're looking at these, I mean, I thought that it might be something to look at. You see, this is based upon this one over here, and this one here is based on that one there. Not really helping me. I'm gonna pause here. So I don't know, the apex really isn't helping me. I've tried it now, God knows how long I've tried apex. I don't know, maybe the other one of how I look at it is better now that I know my time here hasn't been really wasted. But I really don't want to renew at $200 or $300 a pop when I have, I forget what it is. Let's pull it up. Off screen, log in. I think my time with them is coming to a close. Looking for my subscription now. Expires October 5th. So I paid $200, it looks like. I need to stop this. So 200 monthly right now. Started 9.5. Is this really helpful at $200 a month? Not really. Not really. It's not helping me. I've tried their system. All right, I want to pause here. So what I've learned is that it's a $200 subscription right now per month, and I've got my own trading charts. I guess I'm just going to go back. Really, I haven't. Yeah, I've been able to get into the PA, but that's because basically I'm trading really hard on day one, just like I did today under my Tiger chart as well. Here's a bottom. I really thought that I was onto something with the apex volume figures that I saw, but to be honest, they're not really very helpful um, because a lot of them are fake outs, just like the other way of looking at it too. Uh, so this is a 123 tick chart. So 123 ticks have got to be formed before, and then you got your candlesticks, which I'm a lot more familiar with, to be honest. I mean, I tried to make Apex work for, I joined, my subscription says I joined on May 8th, I believe. I joined, I mean, there's some good stuff about Apex, don't get me wrong. I think, so I did started the trial on April 4th, 23, Elite Silver trial for $1. Then it had a 30-day extension. I think I actually started in March for free, and then I paid $1 to extend it in April. Yeah, that's what I did. So like March 4th, I believe I started with Apex investing, and then April 4th I extended the trial, and then in May 8th I took advantage of the 4 months for $5.97. I guess I can just bring this over here. So I don't see anything that's telling me this is just what I did. And then I'm in the subscription right now of $200 a month. This is what I'm canceling right now before the October 5th I get billed again, or whenever. So the 5th month, so it was 4 months, got billed for September, $200, and I think I've canceled. All right, there's no easy way to cancel this subscription other than send it through the help desk. So you have to actually go to the help desk and then submit it this way for the cancellation. And then I actually followed up with a message telling them I wanted canceled for Apex investing, not my Apex Trader funded accounts. So someday I like to get back to the tortoise and the hare strategy that I like to use. Got a top formation coming in here, it looks like. One, two, three, fourth time down and through, perhaps. We will see. Gonna pause here. Notice the market never went back under. So although it was showing this, it's now going up. So no shorts into that. Actually making new highs, it looks like right now. Five-minute chart showing a new high. And so here's the high, and this is 199%. If you tried to get into this at any point, it would just keep stopping you out. So that's the negative of the volume figures. It's not really helping me, to be honest. I mean, I've tried it for a whole bunch of time here. Eating my breakfast, late lunch, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, this is just not helping me. There's so many lines here, so much shit here that, I mean, I tried to make it work for so long. It just not, I don't know, my charts seem so much more clear to me. So this is the top of the William percent R. Can't even see the bottom part of it right now. There it is right there. So it looks like a short underneath this.
Order submitted.
Went through it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Sell ask there.
Order filled.
We'll keep it up here. See what happens. Alright, so we came off of that, so let's move down to that. There's a stop.
Stop filled.
Hello. It's not here right now. Did they message?
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Goofing still. I mean, it looks like it wants to go up. And the other side is showing this. And I was getting in. It was looking like a long setup. Continuation move. And then it showed this. Should have just closed it out.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's throw some asks
Order
and some
submitted.
bids in there.
Order filled.
So buy. It's not a good long setup there that I'm in.
Order canceled. Order filled. 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 Order filled.
I ought to have unlimited funds. This is definitely a short signal. Look at that. Of course, always, if you think something, you're always proven wrong, right?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
It's interesting watching that.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Problem that I run into right there.
Stop filled.
Yeah, have unlimited funds, you could trade like crazy, right? But this is the kind of stuff I need to look out for, right? mean, I try to make it work on Apex. I even talked about it several different times about what I saw Apex investing. In the back of my head, I'm still thinking my Tiger chart that I developed and created. So I got a 5-minute chart over here, and I got the 369 on this other screen over here. My 5 minutes got pivot points on it and all the other things that I like to see. This one has Bollinger Bands in my highway. It's like putting on a comfortable pair of shoes when I'm trading on this one. How about that? Up 47.85, but the account, I don't even know how many contracts I was in there. It was fun though. It's always fun to trade like you're a gazillionaire. You can see where I blew things today. And this one here, this winning right here was on my Tiger trade, my Tiger charts right here. Started with 5 contracts, went down to 3, then to 2. Now I'm trading 2 to get past. So I think Apex helped. I mean, I'm not going to say it didn't help. I mean, I definitely learned some stuff along the way. It's always good to learn, but the charts are so busy. They're hard to figure things out on. And before I went to Apex, I had simplified my charts down to the point that I only had one indicator on the charts. I didn't have a, I didn't, I took off, I just got Williams percent R and a couple volume figures here. And then I have my highway here that I developed many years ago off another trader I learned from. Everything I've learned from someone else. I didn't develop it. The highway was, I can't even remember the dude. He was in Canada though, that came up with um, the highway concept that I learned from. Can't remember his name though, for the life of me. I can't remember his name, but he was in Canada, and I bought a couple of his courses back in the day. And then I like the idea. Then I've got some of the, you got JR, Joe Ross. He's dead now. Rest in peace, JR. You've got your 1, 2, 3 set up, right? And down. You still see me use that an awful lot. And then the highway's confirming the down. It might make more sense if I trade one contract on Tiger as when I go into the PA again, instead of trading 2, because I would look at this differently. That was definitely a good short signal, and you know that I see the shorts better than the longs. So anyway, I am going to go back to my old way of looking at things with some of the adjustments that I've made with Apex. Hopefully the combination of what I learned at Apex investing and my own chart system of how I used to go at it, and then just be patient in the PA. I got to be patient in the PA, which I wasn't patient in PA today. I got into some mean, to be honest, the apex, I tried to follow. I actually had a recording and I deleted it because I was so mad at the recording that I blew another PA. And then I tried another EA with apex and blew that. And then I tried another one after that, and I got up, but I didn't get up high enough. I was at like 51.3 and I had 52.3, so I had like $1,000 difference between the high and the low, and I was like, 1,500 drawdowns not enough, and it closed out at 340 loss. I just pull this over. This is my trading today. Of course, sim is me goofing. I mean, trading 112 contracts at one point. Yeah, right. But this one here, so this was Apex on the PA, Apex, Apex, and this was a Tiger charts when I came back on. So my old way of looking at things with some of the nuances that I've learned at Apex. So maybe I've learned enough that I'm I feel as though I've got something here. And the VWAP is on my 5-minute chart. So learn that. But I remember simplifying down this chart to help me determine things. And I took off MACD and only keep the Williams percent R on, and then a couple of volume figures. Honestly, I haven't really figured out what to do with these little spikes. I know they mean something, like right here, oscillator, and then it's coming down. I mean, this volume here is not really helping me at all. Green and red, it's just not really helping. Could probably just smash it down and forget about it because it's not really helping me. This has helped me a little bit more. So this gets back to where you're trying to catch bottoms. You got to pay attention to what the other charts are telling you. See a long setup right in here. See a short right in here. Short in here, which we traded. You're kind of in no man's land now. Plus, let's look at the time. It's closing in on 1. what are we seeing right now? Trying to form a bottom here. All right, I'm gonna get going. I got other things to do today, coach football and whatnot. I'm shifting back to the tiger charts, to be honest now. I have failed so many EAs on Apex. I mean, it's unbelievable how many EAs I failed at Apex. I'm up to 90. Going back to my old charts. I was thinking, by the way, I know I didn't say it, but I was thinking if it breaks through this area here, that would be how many times? Like 1, 2, 3. This might be the third time and the fourth time coming on down. And you really need to come back above this area here for any long area. But we're also at lunchtime. Not a good time to be trading. So hopefully I can apply some of the stuff that I've learned in Apex and also my past experience as a trader to help me. One good thing I can say out of it is that I've become a better scalper and not just allow the market to run. Take what's available at the time and don't let it come against me too often. I've got to keep that spirit. Bye for now. Today, once again, was Monday, September 25th, and not a good day for me, but I guess a learning day overall. I throwing the towel in with Apex investing and the Apex charts. They're too busy for me. Bye for now.